The selfie-oriented niche may be a small one, but still active. Every now and then a manufacturer will launch a phone with a high-resolution front camera, assisted by an LED flash, and some software enhancements to boost your self-made mugshots. Today, we take a look at the Asus ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro. As you are probably guessing by the name, it's a phone that wants to appeal to the social networking, selfie-loving crowd. This one ups the ante with a secondary, wide-angle selfie camera on the front, and a portrait mode for both the front and rear-facing snappers. The Pro in Selfie Pro means we've got a bit more oomph in the hardware department when compared to the regular ZenFone 4 Selfie. So, the processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 625, clocked at 2 GHz and coupled with 4 GB of RAM. The phone has 64 GB of storage, 50 GB of which are available to the user, and, if that's not enough, we can expand it with a microSD card of up to 2 GB. It's not cutting-edge hardware, but we found that the ZenFone 4 Selfie Pro runs quite nice for your regular, everyday usage. Websites load and scroll fine, most mobile games are playable just fine without annoying levels of input lag or anything like that. Selfie-centric apps like Snapcut with their heavy live lens effects also showed no stutters or hiccups.